Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to edit dark underarms in Snapseed. If you have a picture where you have a dark underarm and you'd like to edit it with the help of Snapseed app, then here's how you can do it. First of all, open the Snapseed application and tap on the plus button on the screen. Select an image from your device's camera roll and pick an image where you have a dark underarm. After you do that, go to the bottom of the screen and click on Tools. Click on the Healing option in the expanded menu and go ahead and zoom into your picture where you have a dark underarm. Simply go ahead and tap on the dark underarm area. After you do it a couple of times, you will be able to remove the dark underarm. Zoom out on the picture and you will notice the difference. So that is how you will be able to heal your dark underarm and blend them with the surrounding skin tone using the healing tool option. That's how it's easily done. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.